Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Neapolitan cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your room temperature butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, then beat them together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the egg, mix that in until it's fully incorporated. As that works its way into the mixture, you will notice a change in the consistency, and this is completely normal and what you're looking for. So just keep mixing until it's fully incorporated and it should become fairly lighter and fluffier. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to scrape the very bottom and the top of the bowl, as this is normally where my ingredients collect. Then you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, so it's just your flour, your cocoa powder and your baking powder. And feel free to also chuck in the chocolate that you're using. I'm using these chocolate buttons, or whatever you want to call them, and just mix everything on a low speed to start with, working right up to a medium-high speed, and mix until you have a dough form. You're looking for it to be a clear dough, something like this, but you don't want to overwork the dough, as that will result in a tough textured cookie once baked. Grab yourself a baking tray which has been lined with parchment paper, scoop up your cookie dough, and for me this recipe makes 5 and a bit cookies. There's always a little bit left over, but I always bake that off or freeze the dough and I bake it up at a later time, so I have a batch of like mini cookies. Round the ball off with cookie dough in between your hands, flatten it, then place onto a baking tray, and that's it. It's really as simple as that. Onto a standard size baking tray you should be able to get 5, as these do spread, but not massively, but you just want to give them enough space so they don't batch up. So making 5 on this tray will work perfectly well. Here's what they look like before they went in the oven, and then once they bake they spread a little bit, but don't worry, that's completely fine. You can freeze them at this stage if you wanted to as well, and just bake them off and frozen. Fresh from the oven, you'll want to take some more of the buttons that we use inside of the cookies and just top them with one of each of them. And this is just to, indicate what flavour is and what's in there, really. But you can do it however you'd like. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.